Hello everyone. Tata Safari is truly a legend, which started the SUV revolution in India, especially the Safari that was launched in the year 2021. It redefined the premium SUV category with its impactful design and class-defining features. So what's next? We knew we had to come up with something that retains all that's quintessentially Safari, but also exceeds the expectations of the segment. Enter the new Safari. In line with our philosophy of new forever, the new Safari is even more premium, safer, and technologically advanced than it used to be. Difficult to imagine? Well, take the design language for example. The enhancements are more dramatic. The stance is more imposing and upright. The front graphic is more formal and structured. The grille, more precise and sophisticated. The lights, more emotive in function. And the road presence, it's more assertive and premium as it should be. The diesel cryotic engine gives a robust performance that befits only the best. And the new Safari, as we all know, is just that. One of the few things that we have retained though is a gift from one legend to the other. Our strong and sturdy Omega Arc architecture, which is derived from the legendary Land Rover's D8 platform. Wait, there's more to it. A lot more. Like the plush interiors, a new state-of-the-art infotainment system, enhanced connectivity specifications, a fully stacked ADAS suite, 7 airbags, and 100 other reasons for you to come and experience it yourself. Introducing the new Safari. Bookings open 6th October 2023. It's time you reclaim your life. Watch our space for more on the new Safari.